Hi, this is Minitab Express Lesson 2. How to construct box plot for comparison. The reference is page 4-24 of the course notes. Suppose we are given a question. Is there any visual evidence to claim that amount spent by female customer who visit the mall, went to the mall 6 times, spend more than the female customer who went to the mall only once? Where do you find the information? This is the information about female customer who visit the mall 1 time or 6 times and how much they spend. All these data are quantitative. And the answer, as you can see on the screen, number of female customer visit the mall 1 times and 6 times, and the mean of how much they spend, and the standard deviation of how much they spend, and the 5 number summary: minimal, Q1, medium, Q3, and maximal. And there is also a box plot for comparison. Okay, then we find that the mean of female customer who visit the mall 1 time actually spend more than those female customer who visit the mall 6 times in a month. And the medium, also you have a similar comparison. Those female customer who visit the mall 1 time actually spend more than the female customer who went the mall 6 times a month. How do we get this information? Well, you have to do 3 steps. Prepare the data from Excel and paste it to Minitab Express. Then construct the summary statistic and construct box plot. Here is the data file for Prestige Mall. And our question is about female customer who visit the mall 1 time or 6 times. We want to compare their spending habit. So first, we select gender and we only want to look for female customer. So deselect male. So you only have female customer in our data file now. And then the number of times they visit the mall per month. We only want those who visit the mall 1 time or 6 times. That you select all first and you only select 1 time and 6 times. Alright, double check 1 time and 6 times. Okay, so our data only consists of female customer who visit the mall 1 time and 6 times. Now we copy all this information, copy all the way down to all this information. So Control C, and we're going to copy into Minitab. Now that I have launched my Minitab Express, so I'm going to paste the data into my Minitab Express now. Right click, paste. So all these female customers who visit the mall 1 time or 6 times are inside now. And we are ready to do some summary statistics. And now we are ready to do some summary statistics. To do so, we go to Statistics, then Describe, and we select Descriptive Statistics, and we are going to find out how to spend the money, amount spent. This is a variable we are interested in, and we also want to know based on the number of visits 1 time or 6 times a month, and this is group variable. And for statistics, we only want the mean, standard deviation, minimal, Q1, medium, Q3, maximal. And if you want, you can also include interquartile range, and n, total number of customers in each group, and then click OK. Okay, all this information are ready for you. So you can see that female customer will visit once actually spend more on the average than female customer who visited 6 times a month. You can also look at a medium, a similar pattern. So that is the summary statistic. Now we are ready to construct the box plot. To do so, we go to Graph, and then we select box plot. And for comparison, so we are comparing simple box plot, a box plot here. So the variable is amount spent, and we are grouped by the number of visits 1 time or 6 times. Remember now, all these customers in the file are female customers. After you finish, then OK. So the box plot appears. You can see that in the case of female customer who visit the mall 6 times, there is an outlier, okay, which is spending way less than the center. And the median of those female customers visited once has a higher median as well. The file number summary is at the bottom as well.